Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the sweet mung bean paste. This is the one of the classic pastry filling. The mung bean paste is a light, creamy, beany and buttersweet golden filling. It's the one of my favorite filling. First, we're gonna soak the mung bean for 6 hours at least. And after 6 hours, we're gonna steam it for 20 minutes. And then now it's cooked. When you check for the cook, you can see like this. It's cooked now. And then we're gonna remove from steamer and use the blender to puree the bean into the paste. Transfer the puree into the non-stick fry pan. Add the sugar, coconut milk, vegetable oil, and salt. For the ingredients, I will put in the description box below. Combine it well and cook over medium heat until the moisture is reduced. Constantly stir or flipping the paste over until the sugar is completely melted and the paste is no longer stick on the pan. And continue with the low heat for about 30 to 45 minutes. And now it's ready. When you taste, you just put your finger and touch on the paste, and the paste is no longer stick on your finger when you touch it. And now it's ready. And then let's cool completely, and it's ready to be baked and shaped to be used as a filling for cake or pastry. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.